You can see the map of how it did it. So you're able to see kind of all the zigzags and everything like that and any kind of obstacles that it had.
Returning to charging dock. Recharging.
Makes it nice. So right in here, you're going to be able to change it from the sweep and the mop, and then there's going to be different settings. So you can have the quiet, normal, strong, or max, depending on what it's cleaning. And then obviously if we had it in the mop mode, which I can't switch right now because it's actually just in the sweeping mode. But if I had the mop on it and had that, then I can always change it from the water out from the low, middle, and the high. Guys, so check it out. All you gotta do is open up that one right there. Look at all of that I'm gonna be able to just kind of dump out just like that. That picked out so much stuff. So did you guys hear that? It'll literally switch the suction mode for auto. So it went on a little bit louder, so higher suction when it was on the carpet, and then got quieter. Comes with spare bags here, even this to be able to cut the hair and to clean it. Another one of those, another filter, another mop, and then it even comes with the remote that you can use along with the app. You guys, look at that. It just picked up all those crumbs. And then you can turn on the dust collection. So you just go to the settings and turn this on, and then that way it's going to manually empty it. All right, and then look at this. Open it up, and you guys, look at all that. All that dust and stuff that was in there went right into here. So you can manually clean it from here, or you can have it go into that. But overall, this robot vacuum is absolutely amazing. We have been loving this around the house, and it's been able to clean every single day. You can even set it for multiple times a day, but definitely recommend going and getting.